bit different for you today. We're heading in to the Avalon International Airshow. It's going to be insane. Let's go. I've got that Tom Cruise feeling about me right now. Bit of Top Gun. There's a big boat. I wonder if that's for sale. We're just sneaking around the back way of the hole near the refineries. Check that joint out, but that's not going to go up like that. Oh, oh. Here's the traffic. The traffic is crazy. Oh, we're still got about 5 k's to go to get near the airfield. Now she's gone to 2 lanes. Oh, we've still got about 3 k's to get into the joint. Wow, that was out of control for the traffic. Caught up with a couple of bikes. Probably half a k to go. Had to go bush then for a minute, get out of traffic. Holy shit, man. I think I found it. Time to get changed. There's something a bit more appropriate. Get the bike gear off. Talk about pole position, mate, I tell you. Pole position, check this out. Front row. There's all the bikes. Ours is right up the front. Number 1, and there's the entry gate. You want to see the car park, man? It goes fucking miles. Look at the buses. Must be 100 buses. Whew. Geez, a big day. Just to get in, it's going to be a 15-minute wait to get in. Oh. So all those cars I passed on the way in are like probably 2 hours away from getting through the gates. Oh, you'd be going nuts. We're on the right side of the gates. Check that out, mate. Everyone's getting, but they're getting the old metal detectors waved over everyone. Classic. High security, mate. High tech. Let's go. So this is the food bit. I hope you're not hungry. Jeez, I was hanging for bloody coffee too. That there is the line for the toilets. It's only early in the day. Hang on to it. Air Force puppets. Always a sucker for a pooch. Good, how you doing? Yeah. Nice uniform.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Basic green, what's that about?
So this is a Diamond 40.
Yeah.
So this is the Air Force Cadet Training aircraft.
Okay.
So we have CA flights where cadets can go in the back. So 2 in the back, 1 on the right hand side, and the instructor on the left.
Any aerobatics or just cruising?
We're just cruising.
Just cruising?
Then we have PEX flights, which is where you can go one-on-one with an instructor.
Oh yeah.
So the instructor will be on the left-hand side because it's the main pilot seat, and the cadet will be on the right-hand side.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Good on you, thank you.
Oh, good.
See you later.
Thanks, sir.
It's a serious piece of kit. Check that out. Oh man, that's down on over here. It's all flames and shit shooting around. Oh, I've got the hot air balloon going off. They're firing a few flames around. Oh, fuck, I felt the heat on the back of my neck. Check that out, one of the roulettes. Nice. Let's go and look at this big beast of a thing. What the hell is that? Hercules or something? Be nice to go in it, but I'm not waiting like 4 days in the line. The line actually goes around the plane twice, and then you go in it. Check that out. Oh, what a beast. It'd be a bit of fun, wouldn't it? It'd be a lot of fun. I didn't realise how big these things are. That is fucking massive. Oh, that is huge.
Very, very important.
Here's the big banger. These things flew over my joint the other day. Man, they are loud. Hey mate, how are you?
Yeah, good thanks.
She's a beauty.
Yeah.
Is it all 8-wheel drive?
It can be.
Can it?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
shit. She go anywhere.
Yeah, I
She
reckon.
climb a wall.
Yeah.
Can I go in?
Yeah, of course.
Beauty. Right, that's a beauty. Oh shit, there's a pair of legs up there. Man, that is awesome. Wouldn't know where to start. What does it weigh? It's 5 million tonne.
Unlading nearly 20 tonne.
20 tonne.
Yeah.
20 tonne. Jesus. Thanks, mate.
Can't tell if that's right, eh?
Maybe right, 20 tonne, I reckon. Truck the way.
Yeah,
Ripper, mate.
yeah, it's
Thanks,
pretty
you.
good kit. Like we brought this container down on the back of this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Containers with a flat rack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere you need.
That's awesome,
As long as
mate.
there's room for it,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Appreciate that.
Thank
Good
you.
on you. Cheers. Nice fella. What a machine. There's the fighter jets over there. We better go and check them out.
Correct. So he's got here.
Bit of cargo.
Yeah.
Australian Air Force. Another 4 kilometre line, so we'll just sneak in. Pretend like we're... amazing. Got a big belly, big and open.
So they're made in America.
Apache. What a machine. Check that out. That's just made to kill things.
The other thing I really wanted to mention, Tony, was that there is a little bit of a competition going on. So if you've heard
Someone laying there.
Avalon Australian International Australian
Disaster
International, there
relief.
is
That's
a
good.
and I believe it says
It's an angry looking
from
plane.
the gate, Jody Wright.
Pretty much issues just break me to that one, 2025. I'm going to use that word behind.
Let's go and look at the fast ones. The loud fast ones. These are the go fast aeroplanes. Everyone's just crowd everywhere. So I presume people collect that stuff. There's a heap of badges from the squadrons and all that sort of gear, and hats and caps and t-shirts and they got something called the Wall of Fire happening in a minute, about 10 minutes time, and I think it involves these things. So they said you must wear hearing protection. Here we go, party time. Another bomber looking thing, or stealth thing. Looks like a French flag in the back of that, on the tail. Got crew from everywhere. Oh, that's not French. No, that must be an Aussie thing. I don't know. Hit me up in the comments, you know what that flag is. What's it for? They've just cancelled the Wall of Fire for an hour until they sort out what happened yesterday with that pilot. This is exciting. This is the toilet line. There's another line for the toilets over there. You got to wait for a green light. Hurry in. Kenny might be here, splashed out. Alright, we're hanging out for the wall of fire as opposed to the ring of fire over there. Republic of Singapore. Interesting. Guess they're just doing what they do. Lending us a couple of aeroplanes for the show. A couple of Chinook helicopters. One of the Singapore Army or Air Force dudes was just saying they're based in Western Australia. Interesting. A police display. Chopper. Plane. Hope nothing happens because they're here. Give it. Hope that camera's not turned onto the front of that thing. Might recognise me. Might be onto me. It's a monster. It's huge. I didn't realise how big it is. You've never seen anything like it, mate. There's so many people here. It's unbelievable. That's Matt Hall. Matt Hall from the Red Bull Racing flying team. Damn, should have said hello. I didn't realise, but we're actually on the runway, taxiway here. See the yellow line? Yellow and black line? That's how the planes get onto the runway. Got the, try to get through the crowd. Got the roulettes. Hanging out down there. There's Matt Hall's aeroplanes and 2 Red Bull. Memorabilia. $50 for a t-shirt, that's alright. Pay that anywhere, don't you? There's the food, look at the lines. Oh, out of control. We got 5 minutes to the wall of fire. The crowd are not happy. 3 delays. Hopefully it happens this time. Jesus, that caught me by surprise. So there's meant to be a countdown and there was no countdown. That was it. Bingo. Oh. That's insane. The sound came about 4 seconds after and it's incredible. Louder than the other one. That thing's louder than the other one. It's insane. Man, insane. Oh, he's roaring, checking out, here he comes again. He's done about 4 laps. You have no idea of the noise of that thing. It goes right through you. I want all the kids to put earmuffs on, earplugs. Incredible. Oh, the big wheel stand, check that out. These dudes are chasing each other. I don't know where these jets are gone, but something's about to go down. They've just all disappeared. There's 4 of them took off, and they're all just gone somewhere. Here they come, here they come. Now they've got a couple of old Spitfires and helicopters getting around the joint. Fuck, they're insane. You've never heard anything like them, but it's incredible. About 3 seconds after they go past, and you hear this boom. Oh, wicked, wicked. Time for some food, I reckon. Looks interesting. Paul Bennett Airshows. Ah, bit of merch. Check that out, mate. 2-seater. You can buy that. Probably be near as cheap as them boats last week. Mate, what a beautiful looking rig that is. 2-seater. Not really made for the large man. He's a bit tight. We should ask him how much. What do you reckon? We'll ask the question. So I was just talking to old mate about that one. 500,000 for that. This is a good one. Look, you get a parachute and everything. That's my sort of aeroplane. Come down for a soft landing. If you have a bit of a malfunction, that's cool, isn't it? Interesting, there's Swinburne College over there, RMIT. So I presume you're trained to be a pilot in those unis, I guess. Diamond, these things are neat. You've ever seen these things on YouTube? Oh, what a machine. What a couple of beautiful looking aeroplanes. Have to be a couple of $1 million, I reckon, sitting there. Took off at once in that time. I reckon they're going to do something. It's going to be out of control. Check this thing out in the meantime. Look at that. Melbourne Heli. Now that would be a whole lot of fun. 400 grand US dollars. R22 Beta. 400 grand US. It's about 7 million Aussie dollars. Cirrus. Sunset. What a cracker of a day. Cirrus, the ultimate in private aircraft. Nice. Oh. There's always something happening. This is the Red Bull camp. This is amazing. Red Bull camp with the cars and all the merch. Look at that, beautiful. That is so cool. They got music playing, so I can't record it. It's insane. The inflatable The inflatable F-111. More little planes you can buy, look. Awesome. Chopper flying around and the big Air Force jet just flew sort of under him as he was hovering. That was cool. Check these out. That'd be cool. They wouldn't be that much money, would they? They're a ripper. Very nice. They're so beautiful. They're finished so well, aren't they? Amazing. Here we go. Here's the budget aircraft. That's only going to be 100 grand, I reckon. Look at that. Beautiful. Now that was cool. Very cool. I tell you what, that is amazing. If you get the chance, you've got to come and check out the Avalon International Airshow. It is wicked. Ripper of a day. If you can handle the crowds and wait half an hour to get food and 15 minutes to go to the toilet, you'll be fine. But man, that was awesome. Absolutely awesome. You have no idea how loud those jets are. They go right through you. Feel the need for speed. Let's get out of here. That was fucking wicked. We're in front of the crowd. Most of them are still there. Mate, it's so dusty. Look at the dust all over my helmet just from crew walking around. It's just a big dust bowl. Check that out. It's just a dust bowl. There's dust everywhere. Feel it in your teeth. People are starting to leave. Let's get the hell out of here. Sorry about all the noise. There's some air show or something going on behind us. After a hard day at the air show, that's what the doctor ordered. All in all, the air show was spectacular. The traffic was a nightmare. The queues for the toilets were ridiculous. The queues for the food were crazy. But the air show was spectacular. Absolutely fantastic. Someone got something? Someone's just hit the jackpot. Good on them. Would I go again? No. But it's something you must do once in your lifetime. You've got to do it. It was awesome. Some old chook just won the jackpot. They're all congratulating her and I think they want a piece of the action. They had a bar there at the air show too, but man, forget about getting a beer. You need to get 2 or 3 to keep you going. Have to go and have a look. 20 grand? Ooh, no. Oh mate, I needed that, I tell you. Home time. Fucking big day.